We're entering a new era of computing, where only the fittest and fastest dare tread. Investing in a workstation that powers through whatever you throw at it can help your team traverse this new wilderness. When faced with a barrage of AI, 3D modeling, and content creation workloads, the HP Z4 G5 Workstation desktop PC with next-gen Intel Xeon W7 processor technology navigated its way through these territories with greater speed and agility than its predecessor. This workstation flexed its muscles in the post-production phase of content creation, cranked through GPU-based renders, and jumped through image classification hoops faster than the G4. So, whether your organization employs content creators, engineers rendering 3D models of cityscapes, or data scientists using AI to guide your company into the future, outfitting them with next-gen Intel Xeon W7 processor-powered HP Z4 G5 workstations can help them thrive in a survival of the fittest world. The business landscape is changing, presenting new and emerging opportunities at a staggering pace. Ensure your place is at the front of the pack.